Hello, welcome to your latest update from the Met Office. The weekend is going to be interesting. More on that in a moment, though. First, let's get through the rest of Friday because there's a three-way split. A warm day in the south, sunny spells and a few showers across the far north, and in between it's a bit of a soggy one. When we've got a three-way split, there's usually a weather front to blame, and this one is just wriggling its way across more central areas and kind of just hanging around. And if you're stuck under this across much of northern England, North Wales, well, it's going to be a pretty grey, wet and cold feeling day. Further north, we've got some sunshine across most of Scotland and Northern Ireland, with some blustery showers in the northwest. Further south, well, we've started off with quite a bit of fog. That's slowly going to clear, and we should eventually see some sunshine coming through. And it'll feel quite warm in the sunshine because this weather front also marks the boundary between the warm air in the south and cooler conditions further north. So quite a big contrast in temperatures. Could get into the low 20s with some sunshine across the southeast. Whereas if you're stuck under that rain band or further north, even with some sunshine here, temperatures only 12 or 13 at best. Now that area of rain, that weather front, peps up a little bit. It's not initially through the evening, but as we go through the second half of the night especially, and we'll see it turning quite wet across a good part of Wales, the rain extending into the Midlands. Further south it stays largely dry. Again, it could turn a bit foggy, especially in Kent, and further north it will be cold because, again, that weather front marks the boundary between the warm air to the south and colder conditions further north. Towns and cities well down into single figures, and there will be some pockets of frost in the glens of Scotland to start the weekend. It is, though, by and large, going to be a sunny day on Saturday across northern Britain, whereas we start wet across northern England, the Midlands, southwest England. May start dry across East Anglia in the southeast, but the rain will push in here and the winds will pick up. A pretty bleak afternoon across large parts of central and eastern England. Should brighten up a touch across Wales, maybe southwest England, northern England, also looking brighter than today. And there'll be sunny spells and just a few showers in the far northwest. Wherever you are, though, it's going to feel pretty cold, I suspect. Even though we might get up to the teens for a time across East Anglia and the southeast. Stuck under that rainy area across the Midlands, look at that, maybe only 8 or 9 degrees further north, where 11 or 12 with a bit of sunshine. It's going to feel chilly, though, especially as that wind picks up across East Anglia and the southeast along the south coast later in the day. As we go through the evening, well, that rain is still around for a time across East Anglia in the southeast, but it is scooting away and it should be gone before midnight. And then it's largely clear and it will turn a bit cold once more. But notice at the opposite end of the UK, another area of rain is approaching. And for Sunday, we're doing a big switch around, really. One weather system pulling away from the southeast, high pressure toppling in, but another weather system moving into the north, bringing some outbreaks of rain, the isobars squeezing together as well, so it will turn blustery. So Sunday is almost a complete role reversal, with many southern areas much brighter, much drier, although it will be chilly, whereas further north, Saturday's sunshine has been replaced by clouds and outbreaks of rain, pushing into Scotland, Northern Ireland, and the breeze picking up as well. Maybe somewhere in between stays dry and bright for most, but generally one day will be bright this weekend. The next day, expect some rain. More details, as always, on the Met Office website.